back. This is my after surgery me. This shopping was obviously before surgery. I just couldn't film, but now I feel a little better. I can use one arm. So we're filming and we're doing a Dollar Tree haul. Can't wait to get back out and shop, but for now this is what I got pre-surgery, so let's just get into it. Make sure you're subscribed. So first we got the original Lee Mercier lip gloss, my favorite one. Remember, this is the original and this is the new version. Original's better. So we got that. Whenever I see it, I snag that. Then, sorry, I might put this back. Then we got this new lip balm by Lip Naturals Tints. It tints your lips and it's in rose. So I'm very excited. I love a good tint on the lip. So we got that. Then, speaking of lips, let's keep going with lips. We got the Global Beauty Care Raspberry Souffle Moisturizing Lip Mask with Raspberry Seed Oil. I love a good lip mask, and especially Raspberry Souffle, yes, please. So we got that. And then we got the Lavender Lemonade lip mask too. So I'm very excited for these. So we got that. Then we got these hair clips. How adorable are these? Leopard, leafy, whatever you. So adorable. So we got those, of course, and they're non-crease, which is great. Then we have the Revive RX Skin Barrier Support Wipes with hydrating niacinamide. It helps reduce water loss and increase hydration. So I'm excited to try these. Then we got the Global Beauty Care Overnight Cream Retinol Glycerin Overnight Repair for Radiant Glowing Skin. So excited for this. Let's see the packaging. Sorry, I can't have to use my good arm. Hold it with my bad arm and use my good arm to open it. Okay, so it just looks like this. So we shall try that out and see how that works. Then we got the Spa Essentials Sunkissed Caramel Hydrating Body Perfume Oil with pistachio, caramel, and vanilla. So I'm very excited to try this. Actually, let's smell it. Yeah, sure. Oh. Smells okay. It smells kind of like sunscreen, honestly. But we got that. Then we got the Coastal Dreams Sea Salt and Vanilla one. Again, let's smell this. Again, they kind of smell the exact same, so. Anyway, moving on. Then we got the Pillow Scrunchie. I love these. These are fantastic. So, got one of those. I like that color too. Then we got the Coconut Lime Crush Hand Cream. Again, the charm is literally my favorite part. Again, let's open it. Sorry, it takes me a while to open stuff now. But we're learning. If anyone ever had shoulder surgery, let me know how yours went. Just curious. So this is the little hand cream. This is coconut lime. And then we got the tropical mango party. So that one. Then we got these 10-pack Revive Brightening Essentials Facial Mask Set. Fermented rice. Stay brightened anywhere, anytime. Glow and correct. I'm very excited to try this. So that is that bag. Let's keep going. Then we have the Dragon Free Body Butter, which actually smells very good. So got that. Oh. Then we got the Glow Up Serum Blush, and this one is an Orchard Glow. I am obsessed with this color. So we have that. That one. Sorry, I was reading the back of it. And then we have this one in Sunset Coral, which honestly, this color is just beautiful. So got that. Perfect for summer too. Then we got the liquid highlighter in Let's Go April. I don't know how to say that. I love this because this could definitely be a bronzer highlighter duo. So we got that. Then we got the liquid blush in Amore. I like that color. Then we got the tinted lip oil in Classy and Clear. I love a good clear lip oil, let's be real. Then we have these hydrating and refreshing watermelon eye patches, and you get 5 of these. Do more for tired eyes. Then we got this highlighter in just the Prosecco, and I love that color. So we got that. Then we got the purple pillow scrunchie. So, more to come. Then we have the strawberry splash hand cream. Then we have the Rose Glow Cooling Face Stick. I loved the other one, so I'm so excited to try this one. Let's look at the packaging, because I'm curious. Okay, so it's exactly like that. Look how pretty that is, though. So we got this one. Then we got the cucumber extract. What is this? Soothing and depuffing eye masks. Then we got the Auto Lip Liner in Iced Coffee. I'm obsessed with this. So, got that one. Then we got the LA Colors Blush Lighter in Courageous. So this is going to be a blush or highlighter, and I am obsessed with this color. Can we just take a moment? Like, look at that. So we got that. Then we got the 5 masks, firming and smoothing retinol little eye masks. So yeah, so there's like so many bags and so little in each bag. So that's why I'm doing like so many different bags, but we have so many more. And we have this skincare line, Glow Up Cloud Cleanser, pineapple and coconut scented. So it looks like that. How cute is that packaging though? So we have that, and then we have the Soothing Face Oil with a long hair on it. Soothing Face Oil, Bursting Berry Scented. So it looks like that. Then we have the Pore Patrol Clarifying Skin Toner in Berry Blast. So I'm excited to try this collection. So my hair's getting my lip gloss. Then I got the White Rain Anti-Frizz Leave-In Conditioner. This stuff is amazing, especially the frizz-free one. We got that. Sorry, that sun is like not my friend. Also, I got the little fasteners from Dollar Tree to keep this cast together, and it is kind of working, but kind of not. We're trying. Then, I'm so excited for this. This is Bitech Silicone Suction Mount. Attach, stick, and enjoy. $1.50 for these. So the first one is black, so we get black. Then my favorite, we get blue. Like, I cannot believe these were only $1.50. Blue. Pink. Pink. And the last one is just clear. So be ready for TikToks from me getting ready. But $1.50, please run and grab these. Then we got some cute new Jot notebooks. So this one, it just says notes, and it's like a purple, silvery, flowery, however you want to word it. And then I got this one, which is pretty cool. I love notebooks. I write down everything. I journal. I do all that. So, pretty fun. Then we got the LA Colors Tinted Lip Oil in Tiramisu. Sorry, the sun, of course, is like gleaming right now. But in Tiramisu, love that shade. Then we have LA Colors Blush Lighter in Captivating. Again, these are literally beautiful shades. So that one. And then we have the Tinted Lip Oil. Oh, I just did this in Tiramisu. Then we got the Extra Care 40-hour dry spray. These are $1.25 right now. So of course I picked this up, and this compares to Motion Sense Degree. So I love a good spray deodorant. Then we got the Orchard Glow Up Serum. Oh wait, just showed that. Don't mind me. And then we got trying to find it, the Glow Queen Healthy Skin Face and Body Spray. So this one is in Coconut Crush. And then we got the other one, if I can grab it. And this one is the Juicy Watermelon to go with that skincare line. So got that, and then we have, I think, one more bag, and that's it. Then by Global Beauty Care, the Geranium and Rose Facial Hydrator with white tea to moisturize and refresh. So we got the spray for that. And then we also, of course, got the matching facial oil. And that's all I found from this collection. I don't know what else was in it, but that's all that was at the store. So then we got the Prickly Pear Hair Oil with Moringa Seed Oil and Shea Butter. Tames frizz and adds shine. So we got the serum. And then we got the hair mask to go with it too. So pretty nice, pretty nice. Then we got the Crest Scope Breath Spray, Original Mint, sugar-free. I feel like this is good to just have in your purse. Then we have the Elite Moisturize Stunning Satin Lip Tint and Blush Feel. So this is a new shade, and I'm so pumped to try this. So got her. Sorry. Oh, I try not to use objects as genders. Then we got the Strawberry Sorbet Brighten and Exfoliating Lip Mask. Then we got the Coconut Kiss Lip Mask. And yeah, so I think that completes this haul. Definitely there was some good stuff. Can't wait to get out and go shopping again, but for now, I'm just filming what I have. So yeah, definitely comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for, what I should be on the hunt for. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share the channel. Hi! My cat just appeared, and I'll see you guys in the next video.